Hey, it's Mike with thecleaningstandard.com. When you get to our main landing page, and you want to create a new account, go to Signup. Fill out the details, your display name, and that needs to be your full name, not a goofy nickname. Email address, create a 8-character password. Very importantly, pick your involvement in the industry, whether you're a cleaning professional, manufacturer, instructor, and so forth. Very importantly, too, pick your city and state. And once you create your account, it's going to ask you to put the date of entry into the industry. All of this is to allow your fellow cleaners to know who you are. When you're online on social media and other forums, you don't know who you're talking to without doing a whole lot of research. But wouldn't it be nice if you knew how long they were in the industry or where they were located and their name? Makes it a whole lot easier to take their advice, don't you think? You can also log in with your old Mikey's Board account if you have one of those. And once you log in here and you go to the forum, you'll be in business. All right, let us know if you have any questions. We'll see you at thecleaningstandard.com.